also coming out. Yes! By a donkey. Top left, left, I'm just going to village, alright. When I'm about to do this thing, this is history. In my life, look at them from around when I was saying, I'm to my age. Say, Kyle, I'm the man. Buy a donkey. Buy a donkey. Yeah, 2018, man. We're right here. The way move, mama. They were in too much. Come on, simulate. Look up a many small one of money after this. I don't know one majority Palolo. No, I engage the social Jesus. Go Machanadama, Sansalenda. Right, this Tosso is not the place. I can't have to this. What? Where the one of when I'm going to your life, you know, this year. I'm just going to go. I'm looking to forget. Do you wish this was in your mouth? What do I have here? Namnaran Mandeli to me, Lewa. Local Facebook, you want to get a guy out of the open letter. Now my name is Abad Shokal here. Last I was to Lawal right there. Me Nalutrami Minatana Wakamoli Leramaraji Evitora Pan Evitoro Olanos Dairo Must be Evitora I don't know feminine because we talk about me now. So John Gomez is my government and every and Garona, look like the good people, I used to school, you want to have a John, who over my Johnny, but John, and because of the first one I died. Eh, Beshami, Tamayo, so that it will be majesty. Look, I found out one of my stars is just a way. Let me deny what to be denied. May not be able to say, let them tell I'm going to tell you straight. I'm going to tell you what your pastor can't tell you. I'm going to tell you what your mother can't tell you. I'm going to bring it down right here tonight. Let us revelation here in 2018. I'm going to tell you something right now. Yes, sir. This is again, bro. Marapapega. You want to tell us Logos quando criamos lá, genuine. To the less remain a man in our likeness. What is the likeness of God that we is the spirit. So when God said let's make a man in our likeness, it was not necessarily about a man with a deed. No. A man, little man, is a Greek word that will have a symbol of perfection and imperfection. That was what I'm trying to say. So the one want to answer now. Those who are create men in our likeness, this is the spiritual way, right? That's the spiritual way. Let's try it on God, Shamun. Fishing and machine is one up. That is why she will it when I die, it decomposes and all of that. But what I'm trying to say about the book, kuna di makaliti dilabuna tona ska jambo, especially in South Africa. I'm very glad to say I'm a proud South African, but I'm not proud of being a South African. Why not? Because of the undermining Yawasaka at Wenrail. God said, let's make them men and women and bless them. What's it? And until the bloody fucking day, we're gonna try to come in with